My correct people, between love and money, which one sweet pass? Yes. Person fit tell you in the morning, say, I love you so much. But before evening, hunger don scatter the relationship. Yes. These days, people no dey chase love anymore. Dem dey chase for comfort. So, love fit survive without money? Na me wey be your correct Guyman and street papa. For life wey no balance TV, Daberechukwu Nwaneri dey bring you this important topic. Yes, this cap wey you see so, many things dey here. Calm down and relax, make we begin. Yes. Money is very good, oh, love is very sweet, but most times, hunger demand. Yes. Two people fit dey genuinely in love with each other. Yes. But when harsh realities of life begin to enter, like house rent problem, feeding money, transportation fare, and other necessary things wey be say na money fit solve, plenty for the house, you go see say the relationship go begin dey break. No be because say their love don die, na but because say human beings no need too much suffering. Yes. Another one be say money dey sweet o. Person wey get money get levels. Yes, for society, people go dey respect you. Dem go dey respect you. Dey call you. Dey send you text messages. Even people wey reject you before go begin dey accept you because say you don get money. Also, for life, nobody wan associate himself with poverty. Yes. These days, people no dey marry for love anymore. If you ask most ladies, dem go tell you say, I want someone who can be able to change my lifestyle, my living standard. Yes, I want level up. Yes, I want person wey get money. Also, men too, dey find woman wey go reduce their problem or stress. Yes. Another one be say, these days, if you see person wey get money, wey dey travel overseas anyhow, dey buy mansions, dey buy luxury cars, dey live in flamboyancy, but deep down inside am, in lack love, in lack trust, in lack loyalty, in lack affection. Yes, if him go to bed, him go dey cuddle pillow. Or if him want enjoy, him fit carry olosho join. Yes, but true, in lack love. You see say life no balance there. Okay. So if you find person wey truly love you and he no get money, you go accept? Or you go accept person wey get money but he no love you? Which one you go accept, my correct people? Yes, in conclusion, love and money are like rice and stew. Then they work hand in hand with each other. Money is the fuel which gives energy to love. Yes. Money is also the food where be say love they eat to thrive and to flourish. Yes. And love is the climax of happiness. So, My correct people, between love and money, which one you go choose for this my comment section? Because I want make una write am. Yes, do not forget to subscribe, like, share for my content for more correct street topics wey I go dey bring una. Na me be your correct Guyman and street papa, Daberechukwu Nwaneri. Stay tuned till next time.